Hello, hi. In this quick video, we can learn how to align the check. For example, this is my original check from Ahli United Bank. For the ChequePulse, it will be supportive for any bank check. So I will show you how to take the alignment for the check. Before making the alignment, we need to be at least 20, 15 or 20 pieces for the check leaf. But we don't want to waste our original check. So I'll show you how to take photocopy of this check. So at least if you take the photocopy, then you don't want to waste your original check. So this is my original check. I want to take 15 or 20 copy for this check. So just I open my copier machine. Just I keep it for the check for the photocopy. But this is very important. You see this one. This one actually not white paper, one color paper. So I will show you this important. Just keep it one color paper on the top of that one. Keep the check, keep something paper on the top of that one. After that, you can take the copy. So I'm taking the copy. Print coming. I need the same like this at least 15 or 20 copies. You know why I keep it this paper on the back side? Why I keep it this paper on here? Because I will get correct cutting line here, because then I can easily cut my check for the test printing. Because it should be, if you take the photocopy, it will be the same size, width and height, everything same your original check. So you don't want to take the original check for the practicing. You can copy of the check, you can use it for the practicing. So now I taken too many copy of the check, not only one paper, there is too many copy I take the check, because at least 15 or 20, again I am repeating, that's one or two copy not enough for the, because you are beginner, one or two copy not enough, at least minimum take 15 copies, 15, that's enough, that's required. And now I am cutting properly, because I have, I have very correct cutting line here, because I keep it the colorful paper backside, so I can easily cut from correct edges. I will get it. So I'm cutting here properly. So one duplicate is ready. Same like that, I want to be prepare all the duplicate, all the checks. Then I can use this one for my testing, making for the correct alignment. So I need to be multiple. I'll show you on the video. So I'm cutting another paper. There is one simple thing. If you have any cancelled check, because you already written checks, maybe by mistake, something spell mistake or like that, if you have enough cancelled check, you can practice on the top of that one also. There is no issue. So now I have many check leaves, too many check leaves. Okay, for the copy of too much copy I have already. So I can use this copy for my test printing purpose. So now I will show you the second step.